Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme 2 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how we can hard reset or factory data reset in Realme 2 Pro smartphone. Usually people try to hard reset their phone when they forget pattern lock, but in Realme 2 Pro, hard reset will not work for unlocking your pattern if you forget it. There is a separate solution for it. We will discuss it in another video. In this video, we will try to hard reset your phone if it is required in certain cases. Switch off your phone first. And you have to use power button and volume down button together. The same button you have used for taking screenshot also. Just long press power button and volume down button together. Yes, the hard reset menu has come. Select language and select wipe data. Now it asks for entering pattern lock. Without pattern lock, you cannot reset. So I put pattern lock, right pattern lock, and the screen has come up like this. Select this option. SMS, contacts and photos will not be deleted in this case. But in other phones, it will be deleted. In this Oppo phone or Realme 2 phone, it will not be deleted. This is special for this phone. So you can easily save your contacts and photos. Now click OK. And wipe data is going on. It has been successfully completed. Click OK and you have to reboot your phone. Just click reboot button and click OK. Your phone will be restarted. You have to wait for a few minutes. So you cannot delete your pattern lock as everything has come up. The pattern lock is still there. You have to put it. If you forget pattern lock, you can recover it only through email. Yes, your phone has hard reset or factory data reset, but the photos will not be deleted. See here, the photos are available. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.